I, Justin PJ Trudeau.
Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has resigned.
Justin Trudeau has announced he's stepping down. Justin Trudeau has announced he will step down.
Minister Justin Trudeau.
Justin Trudeau's 9 years as Canadian Prime Minister is coming to an end.
I intend to resign as Prime Minister.
Yes, we've all heard the news. The Prime Minister of Canada, Justin Trudeau, has resigned. But what does this mean for you as an Indian student planning to study in Canada? Let's break it down in simple terms. First things first, why does this matter? Canada has been one of the top destinations for Indian students. More than 427,000 Indian students have enrolled in Canadian institutions in 2024 alone. The affordable tuition fees, strong post-study work permit, and a clear PR pathway have made it a go-to for Indian students. But now that Trudeau's out, will things change? Let me tell you. Canada's immigration system isn't just tied to one person. Immigration-friendly policies have deep roots in Canada's system and cannot just vanish overnight. Now let's get into the not-so-good news. Whenever there's a leadership change, there might be some uncertainty. A new government or leader might shift priorities, which could tighten immigration policies. But this doesn't mean that doors to Canada will close, although the process could become slower or stricter. But why do students prefer Canada over India? Canada still offers a big edge. Let's say you study for an MS in data science in Canada. Your starting salary could be 75,000 Canadian dollars, which amounts to a whopping 45 lakh salary in India. Now compare that to India, where entry-level data science roles average at 10 to 15 lakhs annually. The opportunity to gain global exposure, work with top companies, and eventually settle in Canada make it a worthy go-to choice. Now let's come to the most important part. What should you do? Stay calm and focused on your goals. Keep building a strong profile. If you are confused or need help building your profile, just comment down help and talk to one of our experts for absolutely free. Score high on your IELTS, get your documents ready, and do not delay your application process. Because even if Canada's leadership changes, Canada's need for talent is here to stay. So, is Trudeau's resignation good or bad? It's still too early to call, but Canada's policy and its demand for global talent is a solid reason to stay optimistic. What's your take on this? Does this news affect your decision to study in Canada? Drop your comments below.